Hello everyone, it is Patrick Menzner from Mr. Electric 2002, and in today's video, got something really fun. So, last video I did this rifle right here on a couple of eggs and some other things, and now I'm going to dual wield with my other air rifle. I'm going to dual wield, shoot some eggs, some jello, and a bottle of soda. It's half full, but I haven't cracked it open because I want it to stay carbonated so we get a nice hissing with it. Alright, so thought I should go over the loading procedure of this one right here. This is a Daisy Powerline 880. That's what series it is. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull that back, grab a pellet, and pop it in. It's a little, these are wad cutter pellets. They're a little harder to get in, but they really do make the targets go kaboom. So give it 5 to 10 pumps like that. And like that, this one is ready to go. Just gotta make sure to put the safety on and don't stand in front of the barrel. Let's start it out with an egg. I'm gonna dual wield it. Forgive me if I miss a couple times here, so this is gonna get kind of messy, so just watch this though. Woohoo, yeah! Got eggs on me a little bit, so that was pretty fun though. Let's get those rifles reloaded and I'll shoot 2 eggs at the same time. It's time for round 2. We got other eggs on the chopping block here, or more like shooting block in this case. What do you say we get to it? I don't think there's any hesitation about that. Far away. Whoa! Holy crap. That was something else. Let's get the jello up next. Alright, we got the jello up, so let's do that. I did get some eggs on the end of the B3 air rifle. Let me show you. You can kind of see it there. There's eggs on it, the end of the barrel, but let's get to it. Let's not waste any time or ammunition for that matter. Here's the jello. Holy crap. That blew it up, kind of. Alright. I'm gonna shoot the jello one more time. And this is my first video in September. I went back to school on September 3rd, so forgive my not frequent videos. I will upload more, don't worry about that. Alright, let's do this one more time. I can already see that the yellow jackets are starting to come by to check out the sweets and eggs. Alrighty then. Next I'm putting up the soda. Alright, we have the soda up here. Sorry, the wind blew the tablet over. When I paused, there was a giant gust of wind that came through. It's really freaking windy here today. It's probably because it's 55 degrees out. I think the wind was so much that I forgot to load my other air rifle. Sorry about that. We're ready to go. Let's do it. This is gonna suck because it's compressed, but I'll just. All right. Unloaded both of them in there. Get any on the camera? Surprisingly not. Alright, so we can see that my test range is absolutely dirty, but I'm sure some wild animal, the raccoon or something, is going to come and eat this up pretty soon, so we'll be feasting tonight. My great woods and everything, there's tons of wildlife around here, so. Alright everyone, you probably wanted to see one more dual wield, so I'm going to shoot down into the pond. Of the ducks that are down there. So all right. I don't know if you could see that because of all the wind down there, but they certainly did hit the pond. So, and the rifles we used today, the Daisley Powerline 880 and the Chinese B3-3 air rifle, both great 177 calibers. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.